My name is Mark Jurdjevic. I'm an associate professor of history at Glendon College in Toronto. I study the Italian Renaissance, and in particular the political and intellectual history of the city of Florence in the 15th and the 16th centuries. I was drawn to Florentine history because it was one of a very small handful of self-governing republics in a culture and an era that was otherwise totally dominated by monarchy and by princely structures of government. I became interested in history largely as a way to outmaneuver my family members in debates about history. They were a very cantankerous and quarrelsome lot and loved to debate. I think the Renaissance is important for Canadians to understand because the architects of that period, the Renaissance humanists, they created the basic liberal arts model of education that has persisted for 500 years and that we still use today. In fact, at Glendon, our daily activities in teaching are very much walking in the direct footsteps of the Italian Renaissance.
So my research is based on the idea that in order to understand the nature of mind, we have to examine lots of different kinds of minds. It means that we look at dolphins, and we look at orangutans, and we look at other kinds of species, other kinds of minds, in order to understand issues about consciousness or rationality or moral thinking. So these issues about animal minds I think are really important for Canadians because we have such a rich abundance of wildlife in our nation. These are animals that are intelligent and smart and social creatures. And when we understand better the sorts of cognitive and emotional properties these animals have, I think it helps us better respect them and figure out how to treat them. When I was young, I spent a year in Hawaii working at the Koala Basin Marine Mammal Laboratory with 4 bottlenose dolphins. And working with these dolphins, especially a dolphin named Phoenix, was really quite inspiring. And I thought that she could teach us something about consciousness and rationality and emotions and relationships. And I think she did.